Oh, hey, I'm glad you stopped by. I have a brand new tool that I want to show you. It's upstairs in my office, still in the box. Let's go on up. This is a different kind of tool than any tool I've ever added to the Smart Woodshop in over 3 decades. A 3D printer, a Bambu Labs X2D combo. Kevin, one of the Smart Woodshop fam, who is down in Dallas, is a custom cabinet maker shop, solo, really talented. He has been in to 3D printing for quite a while. In fact, he's got 3 printers that sounds like they run all of the time. And he has been adamant that the Smart Woodshop needs a 3D printer. So this Bambu Labs X2D combo is direct direction from Kevin. He says that Bambu Labs is the Apple of 3D printing, that you just can't beat it. There's nothing better. I know nothing, so I'm trusting Kevin. He said, buy this one. This was his list. This is what I got. Up there, all of the filament you see, this is kind of the starter order. Again, from Kevin. As you know, I am a woodworker, a home builder, remodeler, decades and decades of experience in it. I can close my eyes and visualize how to install a window, the framing, the detailing. I have built over 200 houses, and I have been the architect, the designer of many of those. And so, again, I can just close my eyes and see how I can go into a house that I didn't build, and I can know what's behind the walls. It's just the nuance of it. So I've used all of that to develop the Smart Woodshop, which was for me and my crew to be the most efficient on the job. And I've even made the argument that the Smart Woodshop is the most profitable, efficient woodshop ever designed. So again, get into the nuance and the detail, but now here, we're going into something that I can't offer that here. I am a noob. I have never printed on a 3D printer. I have never designed anything and had it printed on a 3D printer. In the next video, I'm going to unbox this and completely set it up so that it's ready to print. I'm going to follow the detailed instructions from Bambu Labs, and I'm going to do it exactly the way they demonstrate. Third video, I'm going to do my first print. It's going to be a simple print that Bambu Lab recommends, so I'll follow those instructions. I will know, and you will know, exactly what it takes to get your printer, set your printer up, and get that first print going. After that, I plan on exploring lots of the models and things that are out there. Bambu Labs has a huge library of models you can download and print. So I'm going to find things that I would find useful around the house or in the shop so that I can get familiar with using it and understanding what the different filaments are for and how they're to be used. And there's other filaments too I may end up picking up, and probably will, as I learn more. So I'm going to spend time learning about those and learning about this and really dialing it in so that I'll be comfortable with 3D printing from start to finish. And then I'm going to figure out how to do my own designs. Now, the designing part of it, I have a lot of experience with. As you know, the Smart Woodshop, there is a lot of smart tools. The Smart Bench, the Smart Station. In fact, if you want to get detailed plans on building any of the Smart Woodshop, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. I already have ideas about what I want to print. In fact, I'm working on a design now. This is the Smart Data Pro. A fantastic tool. It's one of the smart tools. I designed this for my real needs of doing dados, both long and short, and being able to step them off. like in the Smart Woodshop, the dados that build the cabinets and the dados that build the cubbies. And I had done all kind of exotic big jigs that were specific for each one. And then one day, like magic, this thing just popped up and I designed it. You can get plans for this. And so I can do any size dado and step it off. It's been a great tool. But I have an idea to create changeable jaws, a little ramp in here, a ramp with it's a two-part deal that would then tie in with the rest of it. I was playing around with doing it with wood, and I certainly could pull it off, but I got to thinking this is right where 3D printing could come out. I could draw it very quickly and have it ready to go to print. This is SketchUp. I have a lot of experience with this. What I don't know is how capable SketchUp is of designing models for 3D printers. I'm going to be diving into that, and I'll include some videos on that as well. So there might be some crossover with the 3D printing as well as in SketchUp to see how they come together. I'm really looking forward to this, and I hope you are too. I'm going to make sure that I show you my mistakes along the way. I'm not going to edit them out. This is going to be a true learning process that you can just step along with me. And hopefully the Smart Woodshop fam, of which there are many that already know how to do this, you're going to jump in and support this process and let me know where I'm making mistakes and what I can do to improve. Don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell, and then follow that 3D playlist so you won't miss any of these. I'm glad you dropped by. See you on the next one.